we're going to see a significant number of agents on the internet that will definitely outnumber humans. They'll be in every vertical, industry, geography, and language. My speech is about when agents become the customer. And I'm here to share with you this framework I built actually 3 years ago on how I see this happening. So here's the decision funnel today: awareness, engagement, consideration, and purchase. And by the way, that's a really horrible customer experience. It's not a great experience. So what happens in the near term? We are going to work collaboratively with an AI agent. We're going to ask it for information. What should I be looking for? And the e-commerce will happen probably within the foundation model, or the agent will bring the transaction to you directly. You do not need to go to the e-commerce website to complete the transaction. And in the midterm, AI is going to understand what you need. It's going to proactively find products and services for you and deliver them for you. What I'm telling you is that the AI agent is going to make the decisions for products and services for consumers.